So hey guys, this is Tasma and you are watching Tasma YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see science experiment part 2. In today's video, we are going to see LED light working with an buzzer. Now what we have to do, we have to attach this black wire with this buzzer. Now we have to take this push button switch and attach this red wire, battery's red wire, to push button switch. When we attach, we have to take the LED light and attach with the push button switch, and another part of that LED light we have to connect with the red wire. Now this process has been finished. Now we have to push the button. The process has been started. See, like this. The LED light is also working and the buzzer is also alarming. So like this. So in this video, this much only. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.